Hello, my little artists. Today, we are going to draw something magical and super cute, a triangle unicorn. Yes, you heard that right, our unicorn will be made using a big triangle as the base. So, get your pencil, eraser, and colors ready. And let's begin our art adventure. First, draw a big triangle in the middle of your paper, pointy at the top and wide at the bottom. This will be our unicorn's body. Now, on the top of the triangle, draw a small circle. This will be the unicorn's head. Inside the circle, draw two shiny eyes and a tiny smiling mouth to make your unicorn look happy. Now comes the most special part, the magical horn. From the center of the head, draw a long, thin triangle going upwards. Add small curved lines on it to make it look magical. Oh yes, a unicorn without colors is incomplete, so let's make its main hair. From the top of the head and along the side of the horn, draw wavy flowing hair. You can color it like a rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink. Don't forget to add a long, wavy tail with the same rainbow colors to make your triangle unicorn even more magical. Finally, fill the triangle body with a light color, maybe pink, purple, or sky blue. In the background, draw stars, clouds, and a small moon so it looks like your unicorn is roaming in a magical sky. And there you go, kids. Your triangle unicorn is ready, totally unique, super cute, and made by your own hands. Now show it to your friends and say, "This is my magic triangle unicorn."